Hey guys, this is John Bretz with Okuma Fishing Tackle, here to introduce to you the new SCT Musky rods. Great rod introduction for both musky and pike anglers that want to throw big baits. What we've done is we've started on a rod blank that's constructed out of a mixture of 24 and 30 ton carbon. And the reason why we've done that is we want to make the rod blank as thin as possible, make it as strong as possible, but as responsive as possible. In addition, we equip this rod with UFR technology, which is Unidirectional Fiber Reinforcement. Because musky anglers are throwing baits up to say 16 ounces or even heavier, what we want to do is we wanted to include this tip that really can strengthen the overall rod. It can give you over 3 times the lifting power, because where most rods, the fibers are wrapped in a spiral configuration in the tip, we have long strand fibers that are running longitudinal along the tip of the blank. So when you load that rod up, you're distributing that weight over a longer fiber compared to that spiral configuration. So again, it's going to really help you out when you're loading that rod up, when you're deadlifting a fish, or just straight deadlift, like I said, over 3 times the lifting power. The other thing with the SCT Musky rods is that it's a very unique concept that we're utilizing on some of our other models. It has over 6,000 strands of carbon fiber wrapped in a dual helix configuration from the butt of the rod all the way up to the tip. And what that does is it allows us to make that rod thin, the blank diameter thin, and also retain strength. All SCT rods are equipped with Fuji's K-guide concept, and what that is, it's an angled guide. And so with that angled guide, as it transitions down the rod, it chokes a line down so it can shoot out the end of the rod faster and get better casting distance. The other advantage with that angle is that if you're fishing braided line and you have wind thrown into the equation, that's where you tend to get wind knots, because the line is changing speeds as it's coming off the rod. And so with this, it helps reduce line twists and tangles. Another thing that we've done to really make this rod suitable directly for the musky market is on the tip. The tip guide, we're utilizing a C-guide frame with an RS insert. The reason why we did that is the RS insert's one of the most durable, hardest materials that we can find. It's 1.5 times harder than quartz. And we know how hard musky anglers are on the tip guide because of throwing the big heavy baits. It can really wear out that tip. So that's why we wanted to put that real durable tip insert. As you transition down the rod, you have a one-piece telescopic blank, which is really nice for transportation. And then we have premium fore and rear cork grips. This is going to be a full cork grip on all SCT models, and it's complemented with a trigger Fuji reel seat. We'll offer both 8'6" extra heavy and extra heavy models, and also 9'3" extra heavy. And these rods will retail for $199 with a limited lifetime warranty. You can find out more information on the SCT Musky rods at okumafishing.com or check them out at a local retailer.